Hello there everyone and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. Look what I made today, a delicious 7-layer salad. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. Now this is a salad that my mom made all the time when I was growing up, so I am super excited to share with you just how to make it. So this salad could not be any easier. It is just a matter of chopping and layering your ingredients. So now let me go over those ingredients with you. Now I like to use the romaine lettuce, but you can use iceberg, or you can even get the bagged lettuce that's already cut, which will save you some time. Now you're also going to need some grape tomatoes, and then I have 6 hard-boiled eggs, and then I have some frozen peas here. This was a 12-ounce bag that I have just let thaw. And then for your dressing, it's just mayonnaise, sour cream, and a little bit of sugar. Then you're going to need some shredded cheddar cheese, bacon, and some chopped green onion. So I'm just chopping up my romaine lettuce, and I'm going to place it in a salad spinner. And if you don't have one of these are really handy. You just rinse off your lettuce and spin it until it's dry. It's just a nice little gadget. After you've rinsed your lettuce, I kind of like to just place it onto some paper towels, and then I'm going to pat it dry a little bit. This will just keep you from having a soggy salad. Just pat it dry a little bit. Just be gentle. Okay, I have got my lettuce as dry as I possibly can, and now I'm going to place it in this beautiful clear glass bowl. Now the reason why you want to get a clear bowl is because you want to showcase the beautiful layers of this salad. So I'm going to put my lettuce in the bottom of this bowl. All right, then I'm just going to cut my grape tomatoes in half. Okay, and then I'm going to arrange them on top of my lettuce. And I'm going to put the cut side up as much as I possibly can, making sure that I get it nice and around the edges because we want those tomatoes to be seen. Next, I'm going to cut my hard-boiled eggs. Just cut them up in some large chunks. So once you finish cutting up your eggs, then you can place them on top of your tomatoes. But again, you want to make sure that you can see them nicely on the sides of the bowl. Next, you'll want to pour your peas over top of your egg. Next, I'm going to make the dressing, and I have 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to combine that with 2 tablespoons of sugar. So now I'm going to pour this dressing over the peas. I'm just going to gently spread this out evenly on top. I'm going to take my cheddar cheese and sprinkle all over top of that dressing. And voila, there you go, a 7-layer salad that is absolutely beautiful, and it is easy peasy. Just seeing this salad brings back so many memories. Mom used to make this salad at Christmas and Thanksgiving and church events. I just always remember having this salad around when I was little. And oh my goodness, is it a good one. So the nice thing about this salad is you can make it the day before. Just make sure everything is nice and dry or you'll have a soggy salad. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.